This video will guide you to the location and access of the interior fuse box in a Nissan Leaf II, models from 2017 to present. The fuse box controls low-voltage accessories like lights, wipers, and the infotainment system. Knowing its location is key for DIY troubleshooting and saving on repair costs. The interior fuse box is located under the driver's side dashboard. You'll need to remove a plastic cover panel to access it. The exact placement is behind this panel. Make sure to remove the lower dashboard trim using a screwdriver or a panel removal tool to expose it. A diagram is typically found inside the glove compartment or in the owner's manual. First, locate the lower dashboard trim on the driver's side. This is the plastic panel at the bottom of the dashboard near the driver's feet. Next, use a screwdriver or a panel removal tool to carefully detach the trim. Insert the tool into the gap and gently pry it loose without forcing it. Once the trim is removed, you'll see the fuse box behind the panel. It's usually covered by a protective lid that can be opened to access the fuses. Finally, refer to the fuse diagram to identify the locations and functions of each fuse. This diagram is usually found in the owner's manual or on the fuse box cover. Before working on any electrical components, always disconnect the 12-volt auxiliary battery. This prevents accidental shorts and ensures your safety. The 12-volt battery is located in the trunk, separate from the high-voltage system. While the Leaf's high-voltage system is isolated, the 12-volt system powers the accessories and needs to be de-energized. The fuse diagram is crucial for identifying which fuse corresponds to which function, such as interior lights or audio system. Always note the fuse ratings like 10A or 15A. Using the wrong rating can damage your vehicle's electrical system. The diagram is usually inside the fuse box cover or in the owner's manual. Never replace a blown fuse with one of higher amperage. Let's say your audio system isn't working, and the fuse diagram indicates fuse number 12, 15A controls it. After disconnecting the 12-volt battery, locate fuse number 12 in the fuse box. Locate fuse number 12 in the fuse box. If the fuse is visibly broken, the wire inside is severed, replace it with a new 15/8 fuse. Replace it with a new 15/8 fuse. Reconnect the 12-volt battery and test the audio system. If a fuse blows repeatedly, it indicates a larger problem like a short circuit. Inspect the wiring of the affected component to identify any damage or loose connections. Avoid aftermarket modifications that can strain the electrical system, such as added USB ports or dash cams. Many blown fuses are caused by aftermarket additions like USB charging ports or dash cam installations. Consult a professional if you can't identify the underlying issue to avoid causing further damage. Owners are increasingly turning to online communities for free troubleshooting guides and advice. While the Leaf II uses a traditional fuse box, future EVs may incorporate digital fuse monitoring and software resets, potentially phasing out physical access. Experts predict enhanced EV architectures with solid-state fuses or AI diagnostics by 2030. However, expect continuity for the Leaf II's fuse box design until its end of life. Electrification trends suggest future Nissan models might incorporate more digital fuse monitoring via OBD2 diagnostics, potentially phasing out physical access in favor of software resets.